the guy questions, we should ask Jim about some insurance questions, and it may be kind of putting him on the spot, but maybe you can tell us a little bit about your Pro-TEC stuff here.
Well, before I do that, just sitting here, collectively, the technical expertise is beyond compare.
This is a demonstration of Flip for Mac.
The passion in this room is unsurmounted. Pro-TEC. Been around for about 3 years. I sell it all over the country. Never once have I had a negative comment about the product. The insurance carrier is an A+ domestic insurance carrier. Great American Insurance Company.
This is a demonstration of Flip for Mac.
Pro-TEC is the trademark of the product. CPM Insurance, of which I'm a principal of, is the managing general agent for the program. The beauty part of it is it's a blanket, unscheduled, all-risk policy. Covers things like fire, vandalism, burglary, robbery, theft, disaster weather, whether it's flood, earthquake, tornado.
So Jim, let me ask you this.
This is a demonstration of Flip for Mac.
We have some of our Jersey people here that had problems with their shop flooding. So if they had Pro-TEC insurance, they'd be able to get this tool replaced, or any of these tools.
It's a replacement cost policy. It has a $250 deductible. It gives a $50,000 limit for $250 for the year. There's nothing like it, forget about the United States and Canada, in the world.
This is a demonstration of Flip for Mac.
Interviewing people such like these that are sitting here as far as what their empty toolbox is to replace, their hand tools, their scanning tools. It's just, we're very, very proud that we're able to help mechanics, technicians, all types throughout the country.
So Jim, let me ask you this question.
This is a demonstration of Flip for Mac.
And how much does it cover?
Well, the base policy is a $50,000 replacement cost limit that when we went out and did our research and development, we figured that, interviewing mechanics at dealerships and alike, that they have a life's investment in their tools and equipment of around that number of $50,000.
This is a demonstration
is not
of
covered
Flip for
under their
Mac.
employer's policy, and that's where the idea came from. Our agency in Connecticut insures over 300 garages with 6 major insurance carriers, so we know how limited coverage is under the employer's policy, if any at all. You can't get it on your homeowners. Like I said, this is a blanket, unscheduled policy. It covers you at work,
This is a
at
demonstration
home, on a
of
job
Flip for
site,
Mac.
or in transit.
Excellent.
There's some loss of revenue, loss of income. If someone has a situation where their toolbox was stolen, or in a fire, or something like that, it can't be replaced. At least we're able to give that fella, that mechanic, 30 days of about $5,000 in lost revenue because he can't work without his tools.
This is a demonstration of Flip for Mac.
Your stuff covered.
So let's say I have $100,000 or $60,000.
You can. It's the same rate percentage. Somebody that has $60,000, it's be the same 0.5% rate, or $300. Someone, and I'll tell you, we've sold 150, 200,000. But if a $100,000 guy would be $500 for the year, we were able to modify.
This is a demonstration of Flip for Mac.
Toolbox limit, because from 15,000 any one empty toolbox. The diagnostics up to 10,000 each. The hand tools up to 5,000. But we can gear it to whatever limit is needed.
Excellent.
Does someone new at the policy have to take pictures of the tools to prove that they own them? I mean, how's that work?
Well, when I say it's a blanket, unscheduled policy, we advise them after they become a Pro-TEC policy holder, it's a good time to take stock of their inventory. So what
This
we ask
is a
them to do, whether
demonstration
they put it on
of
a
Flip for
PDF
Mac.
file, they have pictures, they keep it safe somewhere. So just in case something unfortunate happens, the claims adjuster has a frame of reference to work off of. So it sounds like, and I hear this all the time, where have you guys been lately? All my life, and it's too good to be true. Well, it is. And we've made it very simple for,
The
the
regular
people
guy.
sitting in this room to, get coverage on his lifelong
This is a
investment.
demonstration
And guys,
of
it's not so
Flip-for-Mac.
difficult to take inventory. You got a camera in your telephone,
Yeah.
done. Click, open up each drawer, click, 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 doesn't take very long, and download those pictures.
So you don't have to write stuff down then, like years
Only,
ago?
I have people that send me their stuff to be part of their file. It's unnecessary. It's for their own edification. So the way it works, if you have a loss, you call it, a national claims reporting line. Within 20, it's a triage
This is a
center.
demonstration
It gets
of
reported, and an
Flip-for-Mac.
adjuster, a company adjuster, will be in touch within 24 hours. I invite you to go on, just all you have to do is Google tool insurance, and you're going to see Pro-TEC coming up on the first page. Go to mechanicsinsurance.com. There's videos, there's testimonials, there's blogs, frequently asked questions. You can call me 24/7.
And we have a board member here who has had the sad experience
This is a
of having had his
demonstration
tool stolen
of Flip-for-Mac.
without the insurance.
Wish I had it before.
There
Got
you
it
go.
now. Done.
Now, why do you
Very
need tool
simple.
insurance if you have a toolbox with a lock on it?
Yeah, well, I hear that too. That's the thing. What's going to happen to my tools? Well, I hear the war stories all over the
I
country.
mean, because like I have a house and I have locks on my door. No one's gonna break into there.
Oh, right.
There's wills away.
It very well may not
This
happen.
is a demonstration of Flip-for-Mac.
Yeah, I know. It's the point.
Let's say either you work for an employer who is generous and provides insurance,
Mhm.
or you have your own policy through like a business insurance policy, and you also purchase your insurance. Will one of the policies get kicked out?
Well,
Or
there
they
is a
have
clause in the policy that's other insurance, but our policy is primary. So
This
we
is
don't
a
know what your
demonstration
employer's
of
policy
Flip-for-Mac.
has as far as limits, because usually it's probably, unless he's buying extra coverage to cover all his 3, 4, maybe 10 technicians, he may have a $2,500 limit for each, and that's
Right.
woefully inadequate.
Right.
Because those guys, you have 5 guys in there. And our price and our rate for 5 guys there that have $50,000 worth of stuff is
This is a demonstration of
$1,250,
Flip-for-Mac.
and it would cost your employer closer to $5,000 to $10,000 to have not the same coverage. Because ours is an all-risk policy. Definitely his policy is not covering flood or earthquake, and ours
Damage of any
yeah,
sort.
I mean, there's a lot of differences. And homeowners doesn't do it either. Yeah, Bear?
I just wanted something else too, that toolboxes have wheels. Technicians move a lot.
This is a
You may
demonstration
know
of
a
Flip-for-Mac.
personal example of a bad experience a guy had with his toolbox getting moved on the back of a flatbed.
We've had a couple of claims where people have dropped their
They,
toolbox off the thing. They're covered.
No, but I'm sure that, the record companies are insured for cars. And I know the one fellow's having a problem getting compensated like value, and it was a reputable.
This is a demonstration
towing
of
company. So, I
Flip-for-Mac.
mean, that's just.
And stuff happens,
But
doesn't it?
shouldn't
Yeah.
stuff-
I feel that most of the calls that come in, because this is, I'm the one that put this program together, and I ask them, before I sell them a policy, are you absolutely certain whether your employer is not providing coverage? And 95% of the time, absolutely not.
This
'Cause
is
I'm
a
not,
demonstration
I'm
of
all about
Flip-for-Mac.
helping people, and I'm looking to protect their investment, because it's a tough economy out there, the guys need to be working, and we made this coverage as flexible and affordable as possible.
People are stealing pipes out of houses when they go on vacation. Why not a toolbox, which was
Yeah.
worth way more?
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, you insure everything that has. Like, you insure like a car that's like use that's worth like $6,000. Tools are worth
This
so
is a
much more than that.
demonstration
Makes no
of
sense.
flip
The
for
empty
Mac.
box is worth more.
I mean, my toolbox is definitely more expensive than my car.
I mean,
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I've heard of the box, you know, we use a limit of 15,000 on an empty box. I mean, those things are even up to 18 to 25,000 now, so we're gonna be elevating our limit to take care of
My
that.
Snap-on box
Yeah.
years back was 15,000
Yeah.
empty.
You know, we already, you know, hand tools, we thought it would, you know, 1,500 was, we raised that to 5,000, and there's no concise
This
definitions
is a
in our
demonstration
policy,
of
so
flip for Mac.
everything gets either put in the diagnostic or the hand tool end, so 5,000 for any one, or 10,000 for any one, up to the
The max.
the policy limit that they buy. And you can go online and get it, you can call, I take apps, you can do a check, you can, you know, I mean, a major forklift dealer, national, with 3 divisions, working with risk managers and whatever.
This is a demonstration
we're doing their
of flip for Mac.
225 technicians all over the country. Another, you know, another firm with another 250 that is in the lines of all this. Crane guys, we do them all. Whether it's bus, whether it's diesel,
If it's
heavy
a tool,
equipment, we
you
do
do
them
it.
all. If it's a mechanic, we take care of it.
That's good. Cool. Very good. Great product for you guys out there. Again, I have the policy.
This is
Very
a
good, and I
demonstration
believe
of
few
flip
people
for
in
Mac.
there.
Yeah.
So, great policy. Thank you very much.
And thank you for the forum, I really do appreciate
Oh.
it, let me do.
Please, you know, we think this is, when we first seen this, actually, you and I sat in Connecticut. and,
2 years ago, almost.
We had to check it out. I didn't believe it was real. I checked with insurance companies, you know, to see if the rating was real and it was a legitimate thing.
We were paying claims and all that.
This
You
is a
know,
demonstration
it's
of
the
flip
real
for
deal.
Mac.
And you know, if you've been tuning in to TST for years, you know what we tell you is definitely the truth. We don't make any false claims. We utilize the stuff that we speak about and we stand behind it.